Judge number 1.
Okay, so I really like your gown, so I just want to know who is your fashion icon and why.
It's a secret.
Can you tell me? Please?
No.
Believe you it's a secret, and why would
Like,
believe him
okay,
today?
I feel like it is an interaction. So like if I say it's a secret, it'll be more like interesting, no? Ngapit ba yaking negative comment te gunto. Te kato em ka it's really hurt me. But then kani kadai ka lat ya pite ba ki brio ki la ban tip bahaya pimo. Te ngala sedang ban pekda ka positive view te menta I'm fine and I'm okay.
Hublay parlang ipadyang sngubay pi siya kani ka program ka jongi ka taga one-on-one interview but kirio bok ma jang ka jilla but mentag kanti hakani ka episode ni don but ni ya I Rumika dekar iba baro ni ju khot I mai tiku mangan chupen kan mai ki parlang ba I mai I day I kita ki khot tin pareng I model mo iba men hakini ki tayo giblalet I laya kun hakini ka Miss Meghalaya Universe pageant hang tay hapo lariti but hang tu ka kalami ka we ka reel ka balaya viral menta hakatu ka reel yo I ba menta kitip gibriya fikum it's a secret mo Henry kibriya ki long ki bakloy ban bishar lani kita kilong quick to judge lada ki I kumitu ki reel Henry kim the pledging mud pat ya ka story lani ka khana ka badai hadien jong kitu baro ka jingja ti mentang I don ya I mai hangi iban patai sha yangi ka jingmut ka jong I hakatu ko por bi ai ka tu ko juba but ka ba I hi kum ka khna samla khun samla jong jala ga jongi I don ya ka ka jing thmu lani ka jing ang not ha ka jing em ka jongi ti mai ni gong kuble shibun ba phila plai por knang ban wan na ro na te po na cleariat mo shani shapo shalong me don ben tab ngi ka ni shu ga jongi ti mai kin det shwab ngi poi ben kran halor ka tu ka tag viral queen ga jong phi mo ngi kran chok kin ga chpang jong phi ga ja ka sa ga ka shnong trai ga jong phi ka puli buthi ga jong phi ai dang dang shula kata
Te kuble yagi tu barok ki pe yakani ka channel kiteng jonga de Rumika Dekar nga wan na ka shnong mol mano na tang is Jainti Health District but nga shonga sa ajuai but nga dang puli atat hakyang nang ba government college te nginya phai sha to ka viral reels mo kumanga shay ong never judge a people without knowing the behind the scene te hagato ko video kalong I thought it was an interaction ngamdai ba nga perkhat ba ikli jingli nga te kalalong kum to like it's a secret no doesn't mean nga insult ya itu judge ro I don't have any intention like I don't have any bad intention about her kato ka shulong ka flow baite namar ba
miscommunication
long miscommunication namar ba most of the time bangala mola dan hakadu ko pajan there is a interaction question first te hakato ko por maybe kala long kum ba ong miscommunication
te kala kadi ka round you ko to
it's a question round after the evening gown.
Oh, okay, after the evening gown. Tip nga namar nga isa artali girang ba piyo ban jubam de. Nesa ko bay.
Ka kadai katuhi but hadin pan nga siya select top 5.
Okay.
Kamot nga layo lat ban jubab arsin.
All right, okay. Te hadin ba piyong gitu ka that famous reel jong fi ne. Piyo lat ban jubab ne. Nang tu bisa siya select top 5. Okay. Te hakapor ba pi Shita yung mo piyong hadin ba pladap bi to pageant basami to ka reel hagapor mi to ka reel what was going through your mind like that time
like the first intention jonga nasang ngam like I just take it lightly namar banga shu ong baki shubo status shubo ayuta I didn't expect in long viral way but then marsin hadin chisngi arsing ala but first ngapej be yakin negative comment te gumto te kato em ka it's really hurt me kakta ba nga ngala sedang yam but then mo baro ki perlo jonga ki support yang ki ong but take this as a golden opportunity pej be ka positive look in the positive way but then kani kadai ka lat ya pite ba ki brio ki la ban tip bahaya phimo namar pila pau bahamenta and then it is a big opportunity for you tengala sedang ban pekda ka positive view tementa I'm fine and I'm okay
any publicity be it good or bad is publicity at the end of the day ting iskwa ban klimo ba ngai iba ka Indian pageant ruk la wan cha khamat ban support ya phi ban polite la to ka real ka ba ka ya thu shai ka e ka jing mut ka jong phi and ka confidence ka jong phi ka tu por ka stage ne hello ka stage ka juba go phi ai la ha ka por phi I kum kini ki support ki ba wan na kini ki kan hun ba pher phi sngo kum no ko por
like I feel like I'm a superstar first of all. Namar ba what da inong job ro im the power ya kumba pau manga. Tenga I feel like nga layo bahaya kita ki attention ten ki. It's mean like I am something now. Rather than nothing, I'm something, and I think this is like first step for me, maybe to pursue my goal in the future. There, how I can that is ka long ba you ta kala long lat bahaya nga.
Ka ai lat ka play lat kan pi na itu I miscommunication jong pi bedon baga judge mana kan ni la ka por banga puli ke comments kan ki don ki ba thong to ki ong maybe pi song tho baklai ga jing kli ga jong ka maybe she was saying something like I don't like your dress who's your fashion icon
ki ong ta henry no, even if she say like that also, even like lada iong makna gum turo, but then I won't reply because of that. Henry iklem ong iong I really like the account, but then katu kada miscommunication only.
It's a secret. Believe you it's a secret, and why would
like,
believe him?
Okay, so regarding that, like I feel like it is an interaction. So like if I say it's a secret, it'll be more like interesting, no? Okay. But then I thought like after that, Marsin Bangong, it's secret. I think she will ask me a question, but I didn't expect she will said like. But then that was actually my question. Hang to tenga la yo shop.
Your shop.
Like ngalong ayute ngalong down bha ngalong weak bha. Like I don't want to lose a pageant like in that way because of my mistake.
Kade. It was a simple mistake. Namar kum ke jing kran jongi but ki ka to ka ningot ki ba ithu ye phi ki ong ba kani ka to kam de ka sing ka ni kong ba phi le bi khun ni kum to ki pageant like khun ka mislu khai e ru ka job ru ti ban ong ba phin you'll make such a big mistake in such a big stage long kam so ya ha ken somewhere between the you long ba kadai pi ong pi sung thu bakla nang tu na kaliang jong pi ka judge ka sung thu bakla na kaliang jong ka there was some kind of a miscommunication hendai was tunat ka long ba ki tu ki judge ki we pa ki ai lat pi pin ju bab kan.
If you were given an opportunity to give one advice to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, what advice would you give and why?
Well, one advice that I would love to give to our leaders, that be a good leaders who cares for the people, who make fair decisions, and who always think about the goods of the other people who supporting them, because we know that they know, because without us they are nothing, and we can work together to promote our state and uplift our state, and that the world would be much better. Thank you.
Ngastana itu ke jubab ke jong pi ha ka about kali when they spoke about social media and he spoke about good leaders. Can you tell us more about that?
Like a question ang to ki ong ban I advice mo. I feel that is a good advice to all the leaders. Tak daw nga wala ong like they should be a good leaders who make fair decision, because that is true, because like ladangi ki pait ba ladangim dan mangi they wouldn't be in their position because we are the one who vote for them. So if they will be a good leaders, it's mean ka vote sangi la long value ta. That's why I give that answer in that way.
Ting ko ban nginya kren khendiat halor ka jing im ke jong I mai ke jing yan ti ke jong I but ka jing ang nut ke jong I mo ti mai kin dia chapang ke jing im ke jong pi mo na du manu pila sku tenat bandon ha kani kalan
por bangadang don kat asnem kadon ka local pageant hasnong la jong like ki shu long fit te namar sha thai nong kadong da long ki fit kim da don ki DJ ki banenol ki don be kum ki dancing competition ki pageant tenang to kim ngim da bun re ki ba participate but kila ayuta kila support be kila la yuta ki ai be anga ta confident ban ong take part, and then from that ngala sedang ban admire ya Irene Shuong bai itu Miss Irene hai the Miss Meghalaya 2022 sakabai badai paramangi hish there, like I thought like if she can do it then why not me.
Yes,
Ngala sedang ban both ya ka footstep jogi to be honest te mentang ala don pat hakani ka level but then still I'm not satisfied namar bangam pat ayu dengan pat job re haki platform bah mo te I'll go on, I'll move forward.
Ti mundo ila dangi kren halo shapang ni ka pageantry world mundo bade I won't say fashion icon but mundo bade your idol, someone that you look up to.
Well, for this like I don't have that idol because like I'm still working on my own process because I'm a person like who love to create my own design. If talking about design the hoy nga admire yaki like each and every individual design but then I'm still trying to collect that and to make my own taste so I don't have any idol.
So long fi so tanat ki design ero it's not just modeling.
Like mix because I think I can say that I'm a mixed talent girl because like nga nang ban shot nga nang ban you modeling and then even ban create a design a dress then nang to am like sometimes nga don't make a design haladi I want to wear this type of design so it's mean like nga ngam ko are ban shubot te nakipai and I don't want people to design my gown but then katu ka gown bang apong miss Meghalaya pat katu te don ba design nga it was not my design but then in reality I am my own design.
Oh, okay. And you don't want to let pimp kwa ban YouTube mano ba design okay ta kami le kata tinang ni sa kamat pade kiri ke ka jing tungu ko jong pi ke jing ang nut ko jong pi ha tu pinang continue dai dang yai peteng ha ni kalan ne kum nu
ngala sedang te like I won't let it just like that on behalf mo ngakwa ba ban ya do ba nganda job maybe in the future I won't win but at least I can start my career through this te nama ba I can be that that a young woman can inspire by so I'll pursue like ngan ya ba siya kamat.
Ti fi don kanu ka jing tumu ba pin maybe pin shim pin let buli kini ki line designing lani maybe pin don benta ba ki any modeling agency.
Tang ban like to take the career as a designing nothing I'm done but then yeah I do want to work like in the fashion type in a fashion world ban long kumi model but then at the same time I want to open my own academy in the future where I can guide the youth maybe if possible there hakato ka fashion my plan is like not about just a pageant but different type of fashion maybe the looks maybe the dress maybe the personality and all and that ngakwa ban don kum kita ke academy
and groom ki khna samla
yeah but in nadong shadong umdai da tang hakai yai umdai on not only about pageant
okay long ik kala ban nei hakar kom yai ani kom kren lani kom something everything
example like kum haki beauty parlor type they have different type of service te kajui I want to open a academy that whatever ki youth ki kwa te ka service it should na kan don be
ti habang ipit pade ka fashion industry haka jala ga jungi phi I kum no hatu ka don ne em obviously ka don ni ka potential mo ka don pai ka potential ni bon ki khun sam lagi jungi ki blami shi khman men ta banya khun ni ki pajing ba pher ti hanre habang ya nu jor pade ya ka lat ka kabu ka ba maybe na kaliang jok sarkar na ni ki we ki kan khun ki ai pade hadu phisngo kum no ka biang
like ladakran shpang ka sarkar tengam I ngamla ban blim namar ngala I baki sarkar ki yarap ha but then it's depend ha kinong penyai pan like ki kloine ya ka baka sarkar kila aibor kile ne kitu kinong penyai
petrikam ne
te means like kabiang hi but then still need to improve because most of the queen ki ba represent ya ka state jongi they are financially they do have a problem
yes
because kim support like they ki support how I like represent ya ka state but then they would say take the sponsor kim ong rata but then nga da shem ya halade but then it's really hard ban shu kala analade ban represent ya ka state at the same time it's very hard so for that need to be improved
dan kami ka jing shanya ka jing kershan jong ki babun balang de tang long na pi shimet la ni na yin ka sem ka jong pi te ya kren pati ni ka yin ka sem ka jong pi hadu ka nu ki long supportive hadu kanu ki krishan ni kani karai ka jong pi
Nada crunch pangking jungi hoi ki long support himo ki kershan be yanga. But then coming from a simple background, so kim the support financially, I have to do it by myself. But then they do support me. Ngamong ro kim support de. But then I'm okay with that because I can manage that.
hada fila judan nem ki cap de ba pi don jing jara ka ban kung pi ong fi financially mane ti ba pi hab da likat pat ni ki let's say bor sarkar ni ki kan hun ka ba pi shim jing kan handai patu pi yo fi kam yo kita ki jing kershan
Kadon ka pormo banga shim jing and then obviously I have no other choice. Ngashay late, but then they do help me to be honest. But then hakato ka por em da ki kloy ban yarab em it's really ka long proud ha yala de we are having a leaders who is ready to help us. Te nga tharai like ka kawai kaliang nga tharai lada ki kini ki samla jong lada ki kloy ban lai pan yarab. I don't think so they will deny you. Kin yarab bai hakajing shem jong ate. Most of the time hinga shem jing ya kata te.
Ginya keren pada kanika jinghalan ti ka jong pi hadu menta ba phi la poi hadu kani kleman de ngala ban kli fi kan dia kan ka title ka ba phi job ni kong du ka ba phi ngo sarong
Ka first title banga job mder banga job but then I just reached top 5 Miss Mint to do.
okay
And that was the pageant which I feel I am like perfect enough for this journey. The like hadin banga ngala lale shibun ki pageant but then in Miss Mint to do kadai ka pageant cha local hunto. At that time I think like I'm on top. Reaching a top 5 is a big thing for me. And then hakatu but then ngala sedang malai ka Miss Beauty Queen and then ngala job ya kata.
okay
And then
Miss
after-
Beauty Queen ke ba penyak de ke Asia tu support
It's a small organizer chatain jungi sign yes. And then after that I won that Miss Luka. Then haka Miss Luka like my confidence was boosted kala long high ba and then ngala continue ba yakini. But then labun bagi pajan bang ngala shimenta.
fi kadang kajing tumu fin aireng hakani ka min hakani ka femna Miss India ro bishwa bin sha select i
Hoi ngala pep namaga nakadaw jangka Miss Universe Meghalaya.
okay
Ngala pep because like kadon ka audition kadai on the second the second ngidon final rehearsal. Because like I can balance two at the time. Te ladai badun hasilongi maybe. Te ngala pep no ban like audition ya gato. Te ngala sacrifice everything for Miss Universe Meghalaya. Te hadin bangam job te okay ngadon kata ka soft corner mo.
at least we point top 5 pada
Okay. Ngadon ka soft corner and then I feel like so bad. Ngayak kanya pa hayeng obviously. Namar baro ubru don ba ya kata ka like no sensitive type. Te hadin pat ngala berkat. Okay maybe it's not
Next year.
God plan. Next year I'll come back.
come back ti pe ha pring ki ba ki jong ni kan jong kani ka than kham tam ki pon men shwa men ta man te ki to ki la kham long shy kan dia mo ban ya ba ka ba ki kren halo ki beauty pageants ki khun samna ki jong ni ba ya ai reng ha kum ki stage pageants and all of that ti kani ka perception ka jong ki ka long ban beli kin ha ban you why is beauty is only about the outward appearance ki dan de tang ka jing I ka jong pi na ka dur khmat ka jong pi henry na kaliang ka jong pi ndai pisngo thu kum no haba ki brio ki ong kata ka beauty lani kata ka jing itna ka jing bhabrio
Beauty first of all kam dai re ka beauty ba shu ong ba PE na shabar. It's all about inside. And then it's your personality, the way you carry yourself and the opinion of the people. Kumnu fila ban handle yaki. And plus like if you are a queen, kamun fi day ban ayute amday ban shubhabru. You have to have both heart and brain. There like regarding the beauty pageant ka ayute ka guide yangi kumnu ban you respect. One woman should respect the other woman. Kumnu bangin day ban pull up ye iwe. Kumno ba ngidai ban yarap. There I think kam dai da beauty doesn't mean from bashu ong ba bhabru nga don pisa wa ngala ban phong ki jang ki baram dai ra. It's all from inside how you treat people then you can gain respect ya.
ti jab ye crunch phangani ka ka jingira para contain ka tu ka viral reel ka jong pi ben hakani ka ba ni iru ba tang ki ni ki dong ki troll mo ki patrol ye fi ki what ki contain ru hang to ki ba shna reel na ka to ru ban imitate ki contain hi te kum ki harsh comments ki you can feel it kum no how do you deal with that kum fi tackle kita bro
sedang nga iya ka to lain ka ayo ngasih si baru kata-kata because like para kan thero ngidang ya ben okay that is their job it's fine hadin par ngala page baki ayu te kila ya argue by shapang jonga ibai and that's really make me feel proud people are fighting for me there
yeah
so that is a moment that I want to live people are fighting for me it's mean I am on top I am the topic in social media now
topic of discussion yes
so I'm happy for that
shwabing in penkot ye kani ka interview jong ye balingkot shwaban ke liye phi khndiat mo ya ka tu ka jing shem ka jong phi number 1 finale contest Miss Meghalaya universe you got through to the top 5 and nang tu pade phinang mot bagla along over
yes
re ka mi ka reel chi tayo hadin ka to ka viral reel ka jing si ka bam kai show nama ka ban sha kren da mo ban sha judge kum to Henry you came back stronger than ever te ka message ka ba phi kum ka khun samla ka ba doni ka ta jing ang note ban kio ha ga ni ka feel ban you know to carve a niche for yourself in this world ka khubor ka phi ai kwa ban ai ye ki khun samla jongi ki ba maybe ya ling ba ga ni ka jo ka lan ti ka phi ai me phi
te nga don artli ke message na banta ke samla containation rang nga kwa ban ong ba pe uding ba say so baro ki priu kin pawang bai daw mau te I am that tree with full of fruits take this as an example and sakawai pat kalongkumni you have to live every moment with joy and happiness what I bakatuk chi second ro can destroy ka life chompi and see where I am today is all because of that one mistake. There I accept that and I believe in that. That's why I am here today. So yeah, can mau kai iba jihajing imjong pi accept but then don't let negativity will pull you down. Let positivity will push you up and that will be the good journey of your life. Thank you.
That's very nice. Reshibo ni gitu ki kyntien ki ba kodor ki jong pi mo but ya ki parlo ki jong gi pe ya kani ka program nganget ba phila yo hi ya ka khubor na kani ka jing kran ka jongi hang ni ha ka interview bangi kran ya ka tu ka reel ka ba long viral henry bangin pin smu thu she phi ba kam dei ka ba bha ban shu long lakloi ban judge ne bin bishare no ya no tang na ka daw jing I wei I jing bam ni smu thu jing mut hapdeng jong ki ka jing kran hapdeng ki angon re ngidi banda puli bnya ngidi banda pet bha ya ka ek story ka ba ya lam shatu ka jing jam na ka ni mo but nganget ba phila yo ya ka ta ka jing patai na I mai hi I ba la thu ba kam de ki ba ka ba long too severe do ta ka tan ke de ki jing ba mes mu thu jing mut ha ka to ko por but nganget ba nang ni sha khmat ngin de long ki ba ladangi comment ru ladingi ai ro ki comment support social media ngin long ki taki ko ba ki on responsible people mo ki pre ki ba dan ka jing kit clear ladangi kran chapang jong no na mangi di ban tip ba ka jing kran ka jongi kakta e ka long rin yang kakta ma yong ru ya no te kani ka de jing karpa na ban taki parlo ki jongi ba philong ki bakit clear lada phi bu ikino ki comments tanga social media and da phi kran para briuru tinganget ba kani ka jing kran ka jongi mentas ni ka long ka ba shy but ka nget ru ba khubor ka ba I mai la ai mentan kala ban sapriang shaki parlo ki jongi hang to but ngikit bok kirbiang ye phi mai kani ka jing ya ti ka jong phi but we wish you all the best mo kani ka journey ka jong phi but ba pinang tre hok ka kam ka jong phi te parlok ka tu ngila poi shbakut jong ini interview barit ki jongi palada pidon kino ki jing ai jing mut Sengubha ki jing ai jing mut ki balong don akor mo they ban use banim ban kam kitin bam ya hab ti la da pyndonkam kita ki jing ai jing mut sengubha sa tho ha ki comment section apo ban in se le ban juba bi kita ki jing ki jong pi ti ta ki tu kyntien ngare iban ki tu mauri daga mentau forefront media khublai ka po jong pi baro